Welcome to this evening meditation. This time is for you to release the day, relax deeply, and prepare your mind and body for a peaceful night's sleep. Let's begin. Close your eyes. And find a comfortable position. You can either lie down or sit comfortably for this one. Palms facing up. And let's begin by bringing our awareness to our breath. Notice how you're breathing. And without trying to change, just simply observe your breath. Bringing your awareness to the tip of your nostrils. Observe the breath entering from the tip of your nostril. Take a deep breath in. Hold it gently. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's repeat this couple of times. Breathe in. Hold it gently. And exhale through your mouth. Feel your body sinking into the surface beneath you, surrendering yourself to the pull of the gravity. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, jaw, hands. Or any part of the body you're holding tight. Consciously relax and let go. With each breath, feel your body becoming softer and more at ease. Picture the events of your day drifting away like clouds in the sky. No need to hold on to anything. Just let it all fade away. Feel the weight of the day melting away, leaving only stillness and calm. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice its gentle rhythm, how it soothes and calms you. Silently repeat to yourself, I am grounded, I am safe, I am at peace, and I am ready for deep, restful sleep. Take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. Allow your body to relax completely, surrendering to the quiet of the night. Rest well and good night.